Good morning, this is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is a pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 28th of May. My disclaimer, I did this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Okay, looking at Bitcoin, we've been moving sideways here a bit, and I would say the one thing that is very much striking me on the Bitcoin chart is, and the other crypto charts, is the amount of negative divergence. We've got an RSI 5 sell signal fixed here. Now, granted, it hasn't delivered a great deal, but if we didn't already have one, another one would have fixed here. We didn't get one on the RSI 14, but I am wondering about the possibility of retracement here. We've obviously got decent support at the daily middle band, very, very decent support at the daily middle band. So we need to break down back below that, currently at 106.235, before really a significant retracement had any credibility. But nonetheless, I am wondering whether we might do that. We're getting pretty close to the rising support here as well. And it's a very decent rising support trend line. If we see a break below that, again, it is a sign that we might actually see a retracement. In terms of the Solana chart, on the daily chart, we've again got pretty good support at the daily middle band. Rough support we had here, but we never saw actually a close below it. Just a test here, just a test here. We're still testing it. So I am wondering if we might see a retracement there. Looking at the hourly chart, no current divergence, but we are breaking that trend line slightly. In the shorter term chart, I was talking yesterday about a possible HS that might be forming here, but actually now we've seen it continue for another day. This actually looks like a bear flag that may well be starting to break down, and it's a pretty decent looking bear flag too. So that's setting up a likely retest of this low here at 169.23. And below that, well, of course, we've got a very nice looking potential head and shoulders. And we've got support for that. We've got the double top support for that at the 159.5 area. If we were to see a sustained break below that, then actually we might see a decent retracement. And the target for that would be in approximately, hang on, wait a sec, what would that be? All right, that would be in about the 145 142 to 145 area, which might be doable. So I am wondering about it, particularly with all the negative divergence we've got here, because we've got a weak RSI 14 sell signal fixed on, and weak RSI 5 sell signal fixed on Solana. On Ethereum, we have the same. So I am wondering about these. We've got a lot of negative divergence. I mean, they aren't the strongest of sell signals, but they're not bad. And I am wondering whether these might actually deliver. I'm not sure where that fits in, but the possibility is definitely still there. It's in terms of the hourly chart on Ethereum, we don't have any real rising support in the sense that we have on others. We do have decent support at the daily middle band again. Again, pretty solid test there, pretty solid test there. We will need to break down below the daily middle bands before we've got any credibility for a significant retracement here. But nonetheless, we've got a lot of negative divergence. We might yet get that. We will see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.